This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make kibbe blaqtin, pumpkin kibbe. The first step that you have to do an hour before you start your kibbe is to cook your pumpkin. Either you can boil it, or you can steam it, or you can bake it. I like to bake it because it will keep all the flavors in the pumpkin. And it won't like absorb a lot of water. So look, you see how, oh my god, so good. Now I'm gonna take all the things inside and just use the pumpkin. You can peel it before you cook it. I like to peel it after. And you see there is no excess, no water in it, because you don't need. The less water, the better your kibbe will stick together. You see the seeds here, you just put some salt with it, just take them apart, put some salt, rinse them a little bit, put them in the oven, and you'll have fresh bazar, which is pumpkin seeds, to eat. So what we are going to need for this recipe, we need 6 cups of pumpkin. We need 1 large onion, burghul, the cracked wheat, all-purpose flour, olive oil. We need mardakoush, margarine, basil, habak, black pepper, and salt. This is for the dough. And then the stuffing I will show you. So now I'm gonna add the burghul. I'm not gonna soak it. Because I don't need any excess water to it. The burghul will take all the water in the pumpkin. The burghul will soften while I'm making the onion. In this way, the burghul will be ready with that. Mix them good. Okay, so now they are getting ready. I'm gonna make the onion with the spices. I'm gonna add the basil, 2 tablespoons. The margarine. It's the same spices that I use for the regular kibbe, which is what we're going to make soon. 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1, 2 and a half. So okay, now I'm gonna add this to the mixture here. Some people they put cumin, some people they put different spices. It's up to you. This is my recipe. I like it like that. Wait until the burghul is all like soggy and mixed up good with the pumpkin. And at the end, before you start like shaping your kibbe, to try it. If it needs more salt, you can add. We are going to wait about 5 minutes for the burghul to be, because the burghul is still a little hard. So 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna wait and then mix them good. While I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna make the stuffing. And for the stuffing, we need onion, walnuts, chopped walnuts, garbanzo beans, chili, olive oil, sumac, margarine, basil, black pepper, and salt. The same spices for the kibbe, and I will add the sumac to it. The sumac will give it like good soury taste. So first I'm gonna cut the onion. Gonna drizzle some oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna cook it until it's not hard. Some people they put spinach with the stuffing. It's so good too. My kids they prefer it without, so I'm gonna just put the hummus and the walnuts. So while we are waiting for the onion, I keep like mixing this. I think I'm gonna use the flour because it's a little loose, but the burghul is still hard. So I'm gonna wait a little bit more. You can make it vegan. You can put some butter with the stuffing if you want, or you can make it with meat. Some people they make it with meat too. I'm gonna make it vegan. So I'm gonna add the hummus. Gonna add the walnut. And now I'm gonna add the spices. I'm gonna put crushed pepper, black pepper, basil, margarine, مرجكوش وحبق, and the star is the sumac for the stuffing. I'm gonna turn the fire off and just mix them. Stuffing is ready. So let's check on our pumpkin now, the kibbe. Our kibbe is ready. The burghul is soft and everything is good, but it's little watery. I don't need it like that. I need it harder, little harder. So I'm gonna be adding some all-purpose flour until I feel like the dough is working with me. Just mix it. Usually it needs like 1 cup all-purpose flour, but I told you I add them little by little. So I'm gonna try them a little bit to see. They need more salt. So yesterday we made the dough and the stuffing for the pumpkin kibbe tlaqtin, and today I'm going to build the tray and bake it. We call it pumpkin pie. It's not sweet, it's savory. You don't have to wait the whole night to make this. I did that because we were shooting in the backyard and the sun was on my eyes. I couldn't see anything. That's why I left it overnight. I didn't put any water with it and it's still a little loose, but it's good. I put some olive oil in the bottom of the tray. Putting little by little because I don't like it too thick and I don't want it too thin. So I'm trying to arrange with my eyes to see where I need more, where I need less. This is the first layer. Okay, so that's what I want. Just put like small, if you feel like it's thinner from one side more than the other side, just add a little bit. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the stuffing. The stuffing, you see the spices I put, but if you like to put more like jalapeno, you put more sumac, it's up to you. Just make sure to cover it all. And it's not gonna take too much to cook because everything is cooked already. You just need maybe 15 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes the max. It depends your fire on the stove. I put the stove already on 450. So now I'm gonna put the other layer, the top one. I put some oil here, for my hands, because the top side you need it smooth, because that's what the people are going to see. Make sure that they are even. I used to make this on my restaurant and vegan people, they love it. I'm gonna put some oil. I think it's even. I like to cut it in half and then like that. And my mom taught me a trick so you can decorate the top of it. You just bring a spoon and go like that. And this way the top of it, it's not flat. And then I'm gonna use the fork for the other side. My mom, she used to make a small hole in the middle of the tray and put the olive oil, so it will make room for the olive oil to go down with the dough. So just like make a small hole here and here, and drizzle some olive oil on top and in the hole a little bit. See? This is the kibbe. I'm gonna go put it on the oven and maybe 15 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes the max, but not more than that. And I will be back. So our kibbe is done. It's hot. I'm not gonna touch it because if I wanna try to take the pieces out, it's gonna break down. So I'm gonna leave it about like 10-15 minutes until it cool down. Then it will be much easier for you to take that piece out. It will stay thick. And this dish, it's very good with it. This salad, it's cabbage salad or any kind of salad, but I prefer that. It's cabbage with tomato, cucumber, and the vinegar is garlic, lemon juice, olive oil. You can use balsamic vinegar, regular vinegar, whatever you like. I hope you like it. Thank you very much, and I will see you next week. Bye.